So today I want to do a little video on the ocean, and because we know how the ocean is a little unknown. So yeah, I got this poster from a company called Kurzgesagt. They also have a YouTube channel which has a little better video. But oh, there we go. Yeah, here. So at the top we have the animals that this is the area where they actually get sunlight. This is where photosynthesis can happen. So there's a ton of plants, animals, everything. This is where stuff happens. What we see. This is where we can go swimming, all of that, no problem. Then you go a little deeper, and this is where the deepest scuba dive was at. It was like 332 meters, I believe. But this is where it's a lot darker. You see a little bioluminescence, and the pressure's pretty bad, and that's why. But then after that, you go down to this really deep area where you have massive animals that have to use completely different ways of living. Like, they have to find different ways to eat because there's a lot less food, because there's a lot less life, because there's a lot less sun, all that kind of stuff. So there's different ways that they have to live, and they're massive animals fighting. Like that, he traps stuff in his mouth by the clamp kind of jaw. That one, it goes and like scoops while it's moving. Then you go a little deeper, and bioluminescence and like that kind of thing, where it has the light, they use lights to capture stuff because like that's the only way they can see. They have to use light from their own body, and bioluminescence is pretty much the only way you can live in these deep areas. Then you go even deeper, like this is about where the Titanic is, I believe, and then go deeper. This is the Mariana Trench area, and the only thing that's the deepest fish. And then deeper is nothing. Down here, pretty much nothing except sea cucumbers and extremophiles and stuff live. And they move very little because all their energy has to be conserved for conserving life. So they don't move much. They're just like, oh, there's food over there? That's rare. And then they just wiggle over it. So that's pretty much the ocean. It's really deep. And oh yeah, at that point, if you are not in a submarine and you like get out, or if you're in a submarine and get out, you'll be crushed because the pressure is really, really, really high. So yeah, that is the ocean. It's really deep, really unknown, and we need to explore more of it. Also, in 2018, they found a trash bag down there, like in the deepest part of the ocean.